a bit to our east.
Yes, it has, and it's been extended for some of our counties by a couple of hours. So as opposed to it expiring at 10, for our northeastern counties, it now expires at midnight. Here is a map of that, and as you can see, Franklin, Wood, Smith County, up to the north and to the northeast, we are under a tornado watch. And again, this goes through midnight. And it's because we still have these couple of storms in the area. One of them is in portions of Wood and Franklin County, and then Rains in northern Van Zant County also under a warning. These are wind and hail warnings. We don't have any tornado warnings in East Texas, but again, we'll be monitoring for that potential. But based on what we have been seeing over the last 30 minutes or so, I would say that threat is pretty minimal at this point. But again, this could change. Pretty intense storm right there along the Sabine River north of Highway 80 near Edgewood. We also have this storm in Wood County producing some pocket changed hail to the northeast of Quitman along Highway 37. So we're going to keep an eye on that. But as of right now, no tornado warnings in the area. We will likely see more severe thunderstorm warnings, however, and it's because we do have the forcing from the dry line that's out to the west, and we have this slow-moving cold front to the northwest. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s right now. Dew points are in the mid to upper 70s, so it is still very humid outside. And unfortunately, this warm air and that high humidity, it's going to play into the hands of more storms that will be arriving tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Fronts up to the northwest tonight. It slowly slides further to the south, but it's a slow-moving front, so we'll be able to recharge the batteries for tomorrow. And by noontime, we're already seeing a few elevated showers and thunderstorms to the north of the front, and then we could see more storms right along the front, which will give us a threat of severe weather not only for our East Texas counties, but for our deep East Texas counties as well. As a matter of fact, most of East Texas is under a level 3 enhanced risk of severe weather, and the primary threats here will be the threat of hail. We've got a 30% chance that we do see a damaging hailstorm within this area. A 30% chance we see a damaging windstorm, but the tornado threat is actually lower than what we saw today. As opposed to it being a 5% like it was today, it is a marginal 2% tomorrow. So it's certainly a possibility, but it's pretty unlikely. So we're keeping an eye on those modes of severe weather, and as we look at the next 7 days, we finally get relief Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Look at these highs. Upper 70s and lower 80s then, so pretty comfortable temperatures. The humidity is going to fall as well, but as we move into next week, I do think the heat returns a little bit. We're back to 88 by next Wednesday. Deep East Texas, similar deal. We're tracking those showers and thunderstorms for Thursday. We hit 90, and then we're dry Friday and Saturday with more rain arriving early next week. So again, the tornado watch has been extended until midnight just because we have those couple of storms in the area.